Hello, good morning. So, it's Thursday morning, and I'm in the studio here in Earthling. There's my little art studio just behind us. You can see my printing press and blah blah blah, everything else. So I just thought I'd have a little natter, and then I'm going to do some lino printing. I'm currently working on this. There we go. It's an owl who's caught a mouse. So things are going really, really excitingly well with everything. Although you might not see it that way. At the garden, the community garden that I'm a huge part of in the town and that I've helped to set up alongside a committee, we've done so much in the last 3 years. We've put paths in, we've got raised beds, we've got greenhouse, shed, everything. It's looking amazing, and the tulips look fantastic in there as well. Now the land is owned, of course, by the Salvation Army, and they gave us permission to do it. They helped us do it as well. They helped us put fences up and all that sort of thing. But the church itself, which is attached to it, the citadel as they call it, is now is closed, which is really sad. The town doesn't have many places like this anymore, you know, places that people can use, and the town is growing all the time as well. So last night was amazing. I went down to the garden. I put a post on before I went down there, just asking people if they would sign to say that in support of keeping the garden and the hall, or the citadel church, if you like, for the community. So I'm applying now for an ACV, asset of community value. And I couldn't even get through the gate last night. It was wonderful. I couldn't get through the gate because people had come down to sign the petition. Or it's not a petition, it's an application for this asset of community value. So it's just been amazingly exciting, really, from that point of view, because I've been working away on the garden, and I don't know how many people support it all the time. We've had plenty of visitors and a few people volunteer to help us do the gardening, but people really see the value in the space and in the hall as well, or the citadel. So I've kind of gone on, I'm starting on a mission now with my team, Friends of Earth, to save it for the community, so that we can have the food bank back in there, and we can grow the food for the food bank as well, and then we can use the space to have workshops, community events, all sorts of different things, and a warm space as well. So that's what I'm working on, and it all stems from my passion for nature and for growing things and for community and wildlife as well. We've also got another garden near St Peter's Church, which is the wildlife garden, which we've been working on now for about 3 years. So yeah, so it fits in really well with everything that I love, including the Nen Valley, the lakes and meadows where we live, which are stunningly beautiful and are managed by the Wildlife Trust. Yeah, so it fits in really well with everything I'm doing as an artist too. So I'm carving away lots of different birds and things, and I'll be doing animals in a little while as well, to turn into designs to sell to good people like you. So anyway, I'm gonna be carving with my headphones on this morning. If you fancy watching, then you're more than welcome. But thank you for listening, if you're listening, and I'll catch up with you soon. All right. So I'll just show you my studio as well. This is my studio. This is where I work. You can see me talking to you now on the camera. Hang on. there you go. You can see me there. Look, I've got my lino here. Got my lino here. I've got my little magnifying glass. I've got all the cameras set up and everything. Yeah. So anyway, I hope that you found some of that interesting. And if you want to support the garden, please let me know via the comments and everything as well. Thank you so much, and let's do some lino carving. I'll show you what we're doing actually. So, oh, it's got a magnifying glass on it. So this is the current design. This is about number 9 or in the series. Oh, sorry, I just switched that one over. Yeah, this is number 9 in the series of lino blocks that I'm doing. So I've done all sorts of things like barn owls, and what else have I done? Oh yeah, a puffin, a hen harrier, a wren. That's to come actually, the wren. But yeah, so I've spent quite a few hours carving this one out, and when I've done it I shall create a background for it with some poetry around the outside and within the colours and things there as well. Anyway, yeah, so if you've got any questions about anything, let me know. And I'm gonna spend the next hour or so just literally working on this. So I've carved these. You can see here I've got branches. It's getting a bit closer. Oh no, can't get any closer than that at the moment. There we go. So yeah, you can see the branches of this tree here, this tree stump. So the owl is just like hovering on, well, he's not hovering, he's got a grip on this bit of the branch here, and he's caught this little mouse. And I've got to carve out some details on these branches going around it, particularly here, so it will look a bit more like this. Then when I add colour behind it later, it'll stand out beautifully. And yeah, there'll be words, because that's something I do, is I put words of poetry or facts or something like that within the picture as well. Alright, so thanks for listening, and I shall catch up with you later. I'm going to put my headphones on now.